No, excuse me. No, man. I guess it's allergy season.
Dude, that was the cutest sneeze ever.
Stop saying that I'm cute.
Oh, bless you.
That was such a cute sneeze.
No,
Panda sneeze, cute.
I'm not cute.
Bro, your sneeze was straight up adorable.
Stop! I'm not cute! You think that was cute? Oh, come on, man! I'm not cute!
That was adorable.
Let me see.
Oh man,
My
that's
gosh,
the
did you
cutest
see how
thing
cute that
ever.
was?
Yes, I just saw how cute that was.
I'm not cute!
Where you going, man?
I hate allergies. Oh, thank you. Ugh.
What? This can't be. Oh my. Panda, you gotta see this. Oh, sorry, dude. Panda, the chew, the sneeze. They filmed it.
Huh?
It's huge. It's trending all over the internet. People think you're the cutest thing ever.
Ice Bear is proud of you.
But I don't want to be the cutest thing on the internet. I don't want to be known for this. This isn't who I am. Wait, huh?